Hey guys, I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through on how to log into Kaiser. So it's a very quick and simple step. Without any further delay, let's dive right in. First thing first, you have to open up your preferred web browser. Let's tap into that, and at the very top you can see a search bar. Let's type in Kaiser Work Login and hit enter. And make sure you tap into the official site, which is this one. Let's tap into that and you'll be taken to this page. All you gotta do is tap in your username here, and at the second field you have to type in your password. And if you have forgotten both your username and password, you don't need to worry at all. There's the option that says forgot username, and right below that is the option that says forgot your password, so you can click into either of the option and it will help you with that. Since we have already typed in our credentials, all you gotta do is hit that blue button that says login and you'll be logged into your Kaiser account. Logging into your Kaiser account is as simple as that. If you have any queries regarding this video, please do not forget to comment in the comment section down below. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Basics. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.